Alright, I am in Ross. $25 right here. So starting off with the toys. This one's $25. I haven't seen the Beast Wars. Tons of Pokemon. These are $9. $3.99. A lot of wrestling.
Getting some new wrestling in. Look at that. These are $3.99 each. That's not bad at all.
Nope. Here's some dinosaur stuff. Oh, Imaginext, which just look pretty good. I feel so guilty because I did get rid of my son's Imaginext Batman castle and the Night Castle, and I think a fire station. Damn, I got rid of a lot. $9? This is $9, you guys. What is steal if you have a kid and you have a dinosaur, you have a little guy up here? $9. This one's $32 though. More Spider-Man. All the ET, 18.
Look, they even got the Neca figure display.
They're all ET, yeah.
What, no Reese's Pieces?
It's like these little mini guys. Metal Force, $11.99. Monster Jam, $12.99. Paw Patrol in the back. Sonic, 10. Okay, you gotta just dig. Dark Thunder. More cars. Tons of slime. This is 8. Jurassic is 9 on this set. Someone took that one. Oh, here's another Imaginext, but a little Batman one. He was $8. Oh, the unicorn. My daughter just saw this. She went to a Monster Jam the weekend. $10. That's 18. Gravedigger's a little remote for 20. The Wolfman, the cover's ripped off. The black and white one for 20. These are 8. King Kong, ain't got nothing on me, 20. Oh, I know a lot of people love that. I'm actually trying to find a hoodie. And there was a show on Cartoon Network. I don't think it's on anymore. The Adult Swim. These are 9. I think they're all the same though. Yeah, they're all the same. More the Wolfman. He's not ripped apart. 5. I think that's a keychain. More ET.
It's him in the dress.
That's funny. Ninja Turtles, 10. $17. So yes, right now, Ross, perfect for Christmas. Wild Mane. Look at this one here. She is 9. Okay, not bad. A lot of UFC though, which we've seen before. These are 20. More Spidey, Paw Patrol, 28. This be my kid's favorite show. You get 3 in here. Let me find out. I don't see a price on this, but it's kind of cool. You get 3. More Monster Jam. Play-Doh paint. $3.99. Fisher Price stacking blocks for $10, not bad. $29.99. 17. Peppa Pig in here. These are $10.99. Sensory blocks. Oh, here's that set that I was sharing in a different video. Yeah, it's $50. This otter, it has like, it breathes. I keep saying breathes. I'm just, you know what I mean. It has like the heartbeat in it. You see the motion, the chest move up and down. It's supposed to be really soothing. And 20 here, Bluey. And there's another Bluey. Some children clothing. This is $8.99. You have Stitch and a beanie. These are cute. 8. A lot of Stitch. Onesie. I just saw that whale one. 7. $12.99. They're long sleeves. Put little joggers over that. 7. 10. Okay, so we have the AC/DC, $29.99, and a Led Zeppelin on top. Pink Floyd, my bad. 15. What is that? Oh, they're dogs. I was like, what is that? Puppy pads for the working girl. I like how she's like in her business attire.
She needs those for extra.
Those are for her dog. It's just funny. The packaging's funny.
It's for the work.
Look at this cute doggy sweater. 7. One with the bow on it. Mary Wolfmas. These are 5. 5.
Is this my little
A lot of these pet ones are here. Oh, this has little nutcrackers on it. That's actually kind of cool. That's 7. Look at this pumpkin cake dome. 7. $6.50 here. There's another one on top. Louis Vuitton, 25. $40. $12.99. $8.99. It's watermelon. It's funny. These are 8. The candy cane stocking.
Yeah, exactly. I was like,
It's kind of cool. Oh, look at this placemat. $12.99.
yeah, so they didn't let her drink, but she said that she enjoyed every second of it because she said they pretty much just, she enjoyed the house, she enjoyed the sunsets, the sunrise, and she said it was amazing. Very much.
9.
And then,
This is the matching.
and then she
The
said
napkins
that
and
Emily
tablecloth.
and Vale and all of them, they were all gonna stay up
see
to
this
watch
one.
the sun. To the sunrise,
$10.99.
but they fell asleep. Se iban a amanecer según ellas a mirar el sunrise, and they fell asleep.
$12.99.
They still saw it though.
And then a more like a fall, $7.50. And this right here.
They didn't let her drink, but her daughter's like freaking 12.
15.
It's like, lady, shit.
What else is here? cat. I don't know what that is. It just looks kind of funny.
I don't like the dots.
Oh my gosh. Sometimes, Ross, you find some funny stuff.
Like this. What the heck is this? An
Oh,
Illuminati mug?
no,
Yeah.
it's, you know, palm reading. Okay, I want to see, we've seen these before already. So each Ross I've been in, some have different cookie jars. Oh gosh, look at this doggy one. Okay, it kind of freaks me out a little bit. This is 10.
It's the island of Dr. Moreau.
Merry Christmas on this one. Oh, look, a bear. You get 2 in here for how many?
Let's see.
How much? I'm sorry.
How many dollars? Let's see. 25.
It literally smells like weed in this
The
aisle.
whole damn store.
It's like someone smoking. They're trying to hotbox Ross.
It's probably the guys on the ladder.
Probably.
They're blowing it right into the AC.
Yeah. $12.99. The bear. I feel like we've seen this bear. Oh, here's a skinny one. And I want to say in a different location, they had like a gold.
These are such neat houses, aren't
The gingerbread, yeah, but they're pretty pricey. I believe this one was $50. Like for Ross. Yeah, $55. And when you pick it up,
This one's 40.
it moves in.
Yeah.
So the ones in Homegoods, the quality is better because they don't like push in, you know. You don't have to worry about it breaking or bending.
I kind of like how it gives a little bit of flex so that you don't snap the little icicles off.
I don't know. I just not for 55. Sorry. 28.
It's shatterproof.
There's a gingerbread one. This little musical one. Can we play this gingerbread one? What do you think? Jingle bells?
I think it's broken.
White Christmas? Oh, it's
Wait,
broken.
No, hang on. It was undone. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
More bells in here. Look at this one. Okay, and J. So hopefully you can find your letter. $3.99. The Charlie Brown. He's 7. Snoopy in the bag. Eiffel Tower. These are 10. These are 20.
Should we buy a new rug?
25. We don't need a new rug.
Yeah, we do. You keep burning.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I bought a rug a long time ago at Burlington, okay? A long time ago. I ironed on the floor. The iron touched the rug and it's literally plastic.
This one's $16.
I'm like, it's in our office so no one's gonna know. Unless you're walking barefoot, you know. Alright, look at all this stuff. Santa. Oh, he's cool looking. He's 7. Let me bring him up. The gingerbread. 15. The nutcracker. That's kind of a cool pillow. Oops, sorry. No idea on his price. There's this one. I kind of like this pinky vibe. And one with the dangling legs.
Oh, there's one behind it. It's upside down.
Santa. How much is he? They,
I got mine.
their alarms are on the price. 13.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh, sorry. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. $20. $21. I just kind of found these randomly. 8. No idea what they are. 17 for Bluey. We have the Grinch. Some quilts in here. Hello Kitty quilt. Don't see a price on it. 23.
That's what I said.
Oh yeah.
You ever seen this?
Yeah.
I never.
20 here in Ross. And these long long trench coats. Forgot I could pan out. 25. It's 20. Okay, wallets. Oh gosh, it's a mess in here. Alright, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Oh look, strawberry shortcake. This one's 10. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Ross location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.